Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser update failed issues in 2026. If your browser is not updating, getting stuck during update, or showing error messages, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or interrupted connection is one of the most common reasons updates fail. Next, restart Zen Browser and try the update again. Temporary glitches can often block the update process. Now close the browser completely, including background processes, and then relaunch it. Next, make sure your device has enough storage space. Low disk space can prevent updates from installing properly. Now temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software, as they may block the update files from downloading or installing. Next, try running Zen Browser as an administrator if you're using Windows. Now clear your browser cache and temporary update data to remove corrupted files that may be interfering. Next, check if Zen Browser's update server is temporarily down and try again after a few minutes. Now restart your computer to refresh system processes and network settings. Finally, if the update still fails, uninstall Zen Browser and install the latest version from the official website. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Zen Browser update failed issues. Your browser should now update smoothly without errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.